Hey there, welcome back friends. In our last video we were able to successfully code and connect with the database, and here is the output from the database. These information, the user ID, username and email, are fetching from the database, which is amazing stuff. Now friends, if we check the header and the footer file, then definitely we are making use of this param.title expression language, and when it comes to the JSP file, in here we are making use of JSTL, and we are directly sending in the title value from the file. Now these stuff are cool. We have already seen how to work with JSTL import tag, and we have also seen how to include a file using JSP include tag. Now there is a yet another way, and this particular way is the native way, a better way I would say. So let us see how we can do that. So I will get rid of this particular import. We will also get rid of including the footer file. Let me save the changes, and we will also get rid of this particular file where we are including the JSTL support for core tags. Alright, now friends, in here we will type in a directive, and the name of the directive is include, and we will include a file. The file would be include slash header.jsp. Here we go. Let me copy this particular part and paste this in here, and let me include the footer.jsp. Alright, so this is good stuff. Now friends, we need to make some changes in our header file. So in here what we will do is we will make use of expression element, and we will request for an attribute. The name of the attribute would be title. Now friends, by doing this, we would be able to pass on the title directly from our controller. So this would be an amazing thing. So if we check in here, I have already set this title, and the title for the list of users page is list of users. Let me copy this part, and let me also give the title for the home page. Alright, so the title would be like home page. Alright, so this is good, and if we skip on this adding the attribute, then definitely the title would be null. Alright, so this becomes mandate to pass the custom title, which is again a good thing I would say. Alright, so now moving forward, let us execute this program, and here is the output. Now definitely the title is null. There is something going wrong, and how to fix this null title issue is something I will talk about it in some time. But if I click on home, then definitely title is fixed. If I click on list users, then definitely the title is fixed. But if I navigate to some random text, then title is again null. So there are issues, and we need to fix it. Now friends, let me also show you. I have also updated the include tags for index and error page, so that is again an update. Alright, now moving forward, let us check the controller. The reason why we are also getting null for the error page is because we haven't added this particular line for the default case. So that's a fix. So we will give the title as error page. Now friends, we have also made use of what? We have also made use of this index.jsp file, which is nothing but our welcome file. If we check the deployment descriptor, if we check the web.xml file, then index.jsp file is the welcome file. As a result, when we are loading the application, we are navigating to the home URL. The index, the URL is null. So how to fix it? We need to give some default value for the title. So in here now the error page is working, the home page is working, the list users page is working, titles are showing properly. But when it comes to the base URL where the title needs to be home or home page, there we are getting null. So again we will navigate to header, and in here in place of expression element we will make use of scriptlet, right? And in here we will add some piece of code. So it would be very simple. In fact, it would be like if, let me copy this, equal to null. If that is the case, then we will simply print what? We will print a specific value. The value would be a string value the value would be very simple. It would be home page. Cool stuff, right? And let us also add in the else part. In the else part, we will simply print what? We will print the value which we receive from the attribute. So we will simply copy this part and we will print that in between the parentheses for the print method. And this should fix our issue. Now let me refresh the page and here we go. So now we have the title for home page. We have the title for home link, the navigation bar. We have the title for list users, and we also have the title for the error page. Perfect. So everything is working properly. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.